What is underinsured motor vehicle coverage in Pennsylvania? Hi, my name is Joe Hanyon of the Pennsylvania personal injury law firm of MHK Attorneys. We try to help people understand their insurance policies and buy insurance in Pennsylvania. Today's video series is about buying underinsured motor vehicle coverage. It's a funny term, but it's a term that we have to deal with over and over again. If you are hurt by someone that doesn't have enough insurance on their policy, oftentimes you got to look to your own insurance policy. This is what we try to help people understand. In Pennsylvania, the legislature has saw fit to cause every insurance company who's doing business in Pennsylvania, they have to offer all the people in Pennsylvania the ability to buy underinsurance motor vehicle coverage. For instance, if someone hurts you or your family and they cause $100,000 of damage, and that person only has a $15,000 policy, there's an $85,000 gap. For very little money, you can buy insurance that will cover that $85,000 gap. If you have questions about your underinsured or uninsured motor vehicle policy, or any questions about your policy, including full tort and limited tort, call us here. We're here to help people. We answer these questions all the time. That's why we're here. Thank you for listening to this video series. My name is Joe Hanyon of MHK Attorneys. Call us at 1-855-MHK-ATTY. Thanks for listening.
I'm Denise Dale, and I was rear-ended on the freeway. We pulled off and exchanged information, and I was pretty much in shock. I didn't know what to do, and I was instantly in pain, but I didn't know what to do about that either. I went home and tried to contact my insurance. I went and saw a chiropractor to deal with my neck pain and the pain I was having in my shoulder from the accident, and the opposing insurance was becoming more and more aggressive with me. They were threatening to not process my information if I didn't give it to them right away. They were calling me names, and I got really upset and overwhelmed, and that's when I decided to find a lawyer. I was looking at a lot of different lawyers, and I was very picky. I did not want to work with somebody who was going to give me medical advice. I wanted a lawyer who was going to help me, and we were going to be a team. And I talked to Sean Dubois, and he was incredibly respectful and compassionate. He listened, and he treated me like another adult. He did not tell me what to do. And he let me know exactly where I stood and whether or not they were going to be able to help me. And I felt very grateful for that. He was very ethical and focused on what was realistic, which was really important to me too. I had amazing interactions with everyone on staff. I hadn't anticipated feeling so warm towards them. They were very friendly and very comforting. And it really made it a joy to come in, actually. Like, even though I was scared and anxious about the deposition and the mediation, all the talks on the phone were easy. I wasn't nervous to call, to talk to anybody here. I knew I was going to have a good interaction, and that's really important because you're going through something incredibly difficult, incredibly stressful and hard, and you need a supportive team to do it with you. Sean was amazing. He went through the whole process. He met with me earlier so that we could talk before it started. He worked with the mediator, and the mediator and Sean made sure I understood everything that was happening and answered all of my questions. So I wasn't in a position of feeling like I was just sitting there and other people were taking care of things for me. I was always an active participant, and I was always part of a team. And that was so important to me, that we worked together to get what was best for me, that I wasn't just told what to do. And the most amazing thing was that through the mediation, Sean made sure to look at what was best for me. And even if it wasn't what was best for him, he made sure to let me know what I needed and what was right for me. And I was really impressed that he would put my needs and what I wanted before his own, which is the mark of a really amazing lawyer, if you ask me.
The Zimmerman Law Firm. We make insurance companies pay.